Hello, my name is Justin. Welcome back to Disney Parks News. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. And today, there's some exciting and some kind of exciting news for today's video. But before we get started, if you're wondering where's the foodie guide video for Epcot's Flower and Garden Festival. And I did say I'll do on the first day, which was yesterday, I think. It was either yesterday or today. But that video is coming out soon. I'm still making it. I'm still in the process of editing it. But that video will be coming out soon, so don't worry. That video will probably come out tomorrow, Saturday, if not Sunday. So either Saturday or Sunday, one of those 2 days, I will be finishing that video. I'll try to finish it by probably tomorrow so I can upload it Sunday because I upload every other day, Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. But yeah, anyways, let's get this video started. So first, let's get into the good kind of news. Let me get to it. So let's get so Monsters Inc. The ride that they were gonna close it, and yeah, all those kind of stuff. Like we rode it for the very last time. If you haven't checked out that video, it's a POV video. I rode it for the last time. If you haven't checked that out, go check it out, or I'll put the link in the description down below. But today, or maybe yesterday, I don't remember. But one of those days, Disney announced, Disney announced that the Monsters Inc. ride at Disney's California Adventure will stay open into 2027. Yes, so Monsters Inc. Mike and Sully's Rescue, the ride that we all rode, all of us Disney fans tried to ride for the very last time, is staying open until 2027. That's right. So, the Monsters Inc. ride will be staying open until 2027, so it will be here through 2026. It was supposed to be closed either this month or next month of 2026. But they changed it into 2027. That is so weird, you know, of Disneyland doing that last minute. Well, not really last minute, but I don't know why they did that. I don't know. So they're closing in 2027 to make way for the Avatar Land that will be coming to Disney's California Adventure. And it's so crazy that they're going to open it until 2027. So 2027, I don't know when in 2027, either the late 2027, mid 2027, or early 2027, it will be closing forever. It was supposed to be closed forever early 2026, but they changed it into early or whatever in 2027. Anyways, other news. The president of Disneyland announced something that we were probably all excited about. Okay, I finally found it. So, I'm gonna read this quick thing. So, breaking news: Disneyland changing park hopper policy. Changing park hopping policy and explained park reservation future. This probably gonna be super exciting, but don't get excited quite yet because it says that park hopping at Disneyland has undergone a couple of changes over the last 5 years as Disneyland has come out of the 2020 closure. Okay? They have also relied on theme park reservations over that period of time to control guest demands. Alright. Now, the president of Disneyland, Thomas Mazloum, something like that, has announced. Are you ready for this? You know what he announced? Here we go. Has announced at a business update roundtable that starting later this year, the 11 a.m. restriction for park hopping will be removed. This is welcome news for Disneyland guests and continues the broader shift towards greater flexibility, making this change soon after they made the decision to make the shift. So all the specifics of the change hasn't been released yet. So yes, so Disney is going to get rid of the 11 a.m. park hopping restrictions, not the reservation system. Just to be clear, not the reservation system. They are just getting rid of the 11 a.m. park hopping restriction. So, for example, if you don't know what I'm talking about, this is what I'm talking about. So, it used to be 2 p.m. So, let's say you go to Disneyland, but you really want to go to Disney's California Adventure. You have to wait until 2 p.m. to go to Disney's California Adventure. And then started, I think last year or 2 years ago, they moved the 2 p.m. to 11 a.m. So, so if you want to go to Disneyland, you have to, well, obviously go to Disneyland. And then if you want to go to DCA, Disney's California Adventure, you have to wait until 11 a.m. to go to Disney's California Adventure. But now the president of Disneyland, later this year, the president of Disneyland will be removing the 11 a.m. restriction, park hopping restriction, starting later this year. This is so exciting. Again, this is not the park reservation system. This is not the reservation system. You still have to make a reservations to Disneyland. But if you make a reservation for Disneyland, but if you're going to Disneyland, like at 10 or at 9 a.m., and once you get there, you don't want to go Disneyland, you want to go Disney's California Adventure. You can go to Disney's California Adventure even though you booked Disneyland. So you can do that starting later this year. I'm super excited about that because the reservation system is kind of annoying, but I don't mind the park hopping restrictions that much, but this is really exciting for other people who goes to the parks. But yeah, so the park hopping restrictions, the 11 a.m. park hopping restrictions will be removed later this year. So I'm super excited about that. Again, this is not the reservation system. This is just the park hopping restrictions, not the reservation system. The reservation system will stay until I don't know when, but will stay will stay, but the 11 a.m. park hopping restrictions will go away forever later 2026. So that is all the news I have today. Again, the Epcot Food and Wine, Epcot Flower and Garden Festival, foodie guide video will be coming out soon. So stay tuned. Will be coming out soon. I'm very, very excited about that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!